Hello everyone, welcome to Enception EV. It's a great day for us. Today we not only have our working prototypes ready but also completed our first retrofit project. Let's enjoy. What is Enception EV? Right now, if you want to purchase a EV, you have to purchase battery packs with all your vehicles. And the battery costs 1/3 of the total cost, and this is a big pain point for new EV users. And also you have to charge your vehicles multiple hours to fill the battery up. Now imagine a future lightweight EV system where as a EV user you no longer have to purchase battery packs for all your vehicles. With just one universal battery pack you can power all your vehicles, and a swapping system where you can swap your empty batteries with fully charged batteries within seconds. And that's the goal of Enception EV. Let me tell you about our prototypes, what we have prepared for this system demonstration. So here is our battery pack. It is a universal battery pack which can be used all your vehicles like two-wheeler scooters or three-wheeler e-rickshaws, etc. And here is our most valuable product, which is MicroPOD system. It is designed by us and highly optimized for mass manufacturing so that it costs less to build a complete substation like compared to the other substations around the globe. Let me show you how it works. So this is our substation controlling software. In here you can see which controller MicroPODs are active and which are empty. Like this one is right now off and it's not showing in the complete software. So here is the one is online right now and it's empty. Let me insert the battery pack inside it and show you how it works. So as you take your battery pack in and insert it, it will start its initialization sequences where it will check the battery pack tempering, and it will also check your user subscription. So once all of them are met, and it will lock itself with the MicroPOD and start connecting with the software. Once this software is connected, as you can see that it is completely full. Not only in the screen you can see it's 99%, and also you can see in the MicroPOD it's complete green. So by that way you will understand it is full. And you can see the battery details in this section when you click on expand. In here you can see all the details, and once you want to unlock the battery pack, you can either click on the unlock button in the UI or a physical unlock button in the MicroPOD system. Let me unlock the battery pack using our UI. Once you click on the unlock button, it will pop up a authorization sequence where you need to put your shop owner password and then authorize it. Once you authorize it, it will unlock itself and it will show the pop-up, and also in the MicroPOD you will see flashing lights, which means it is unlocked and it's time to take it out. And here it is, it's completed and battery is unlocked and it's ready to insert in the vehicle. That is our swap system at this moment. Now I will show you our first retrofit vehicle and how it works with this vehicle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Enception EV. Today we are going to retrofit our battery pack on an existing electric scooter. Why retrofitting is our first priority? Imagine you are bringing a new system to the market where there is no existing vehicle, or you have a new EV lineup where people are not educated to that system. So it's gonna be very hard to bring user to use your system. So we choose retrofitting because there are a huge fleet of electric vehicles on the roads. So if we can make our system work on the existing vehicles where the vehicles are old and the batteries are already old and degraded, if we can help them using our battery pack and our swap system, we will have a big user base in no times. So that's why we put our most priority on retrofitting the vehicles first. Then once we have enough user, we can bring our own vehicles. So let me give you a good close-up look to the vehicle that we are going to retrofit. Okay, this is the vehicle we are going to retrofit today. And this vehicle was powered with these 6 lead acid batteries. And these lead acid batteries are very heavy and they do not have enough power, and with times, as you can see, they are depleted very easily, and now they do not provide enough mileage for the user. And let me show you the vehicle around so that you understand how we come up with our enclosure system in this vehicle. So this is the actual vehicle. This is how it was assembled, and we first tried to retrofit the battery inside in here in this compartment. But the problem is it doesn't have enough space, or we need to cut it open, and this storage will no longer be used anymore. So we take it out and we understand what is going on underneath this system. And now if you can see here, this is not enough also to make our battery sit in the very bottom of this vehicle. So we cannot use this particular area to make our battery pack fit in here. Also, this specific size is not an standard for all the vehicles in the market. So we have to find a position where all the vehicles have that space accessible to make our battery packs working. Now, then we just notice this area. This area is the most common area for any two-wheeler scooters. All the vehicles has this specific area open and flat. So what we did here, we just take the cover out and remove all the batteries, and there are the used space for our battery pack, and we just redesigned this whole thing with our enclosure system like this. It's a very simple and elegant way to make our battery pack fit. And now we just put all the wires inside and place the plug in, and our battery is accessible and ready to use to this system with less complexity, less modification, because we did not remove anything, we did not cut anything, and we did not make any change to the existing vehicle. So that's how effective our battery pack for this vehicle. And as you can see, we already showed you that this is very easy to insert the battery packs in the vehicle. You just put the battery in, it's plugged in, and just close the flap and turn on the vehicle. There you go, the vehicle is powered on. So this is the retrofit project that we did for this system today. Hope you liked it, and we are going to do more retrofit project in coming days. So stay connected, stay tuned, and let me know your thoughts. We will see you soon. Have peace. Oh, one more thing we forgot to mention in our video, that these 6 batteries weigh about 41 kilogram, and the whole 41 kilogram totally adds to the vehicle and stress the motor a lot. But compared to these 6 batteries with our battery pack, it is only 13 kilogram, and it saves about 28 kilogram of total weight from this vehicle. And these motors are running fast, and these motors are giving more mileage to this system. That's all.